morning. Actually, I'm very busy. I haven't enough time to burst. I work at 4 a.m. every morning, and I go to the washroom and get fresh, and then I say the tahajjud. Then I recite from the Holy Quran. And when the time of the Fajr prayer, I go to the mosque and say the Fajr prayer, and then I go out for walking. I work for half an hour, and then I come back to home, and I have something for what can I easily have. Then I then I read something. Then some students come to me and I teach them English, and 8 a.m. I come to 8:30 a.m. I come to Shepard to practice spoken English in the Oyster Academy, and then I go to the school and starts my school. My school starts from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. After 4 p.m. I come back home, and then I take rest for some time. So I take some lunch. I take something for lunch, and then I come again shape off because I have another tuition after the Maghrib prayer. After Maghrib prayer, I take my tuition, and after then I come back home, and then I stand in my study table, and I study on different subjects like literature, English, and sometimes I recite poems, and sometimes I write poems, and then sometimes I watch English movie from Star Movie or HBO channel, and if I feel asleep, then I go to bed, and that's all. Thank you.